In this video, I'm going to be teaching you how you can actually create really simple videos. These are 5-7 second videos. You can post it on social media and you can start earning money online. Hey, hello, my name is Diana Castillo and welcome to my channel. This channel is all about real ways to make money online. So if this is something that you're interested, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell because I'm updating my channel pretty consistently. I don't want you guys to miss a video. As I mentioned before, I'm going to show you how you can create these really simple videos. Let me show you one, for example. Okay, you notice it's really simple. It's faceless. It's literally just an image or a video and just some text. That's it. And people are commenting, people are asking for information. Okay, and how you can actually create this, how you can actually use the power of the social media and earn money online. Well, this is everything on this video. Okay, first things first, you don't need to be in front of a camera if you don't want to. You don't need to talk if you don't want to. You don't need to be selling stuff to people. Okay, so how everything works and how everything gets started. Well, first of all, you're gonna go to Canva. You can actually create a free account on canva.com. Okay, as you can notice, I have been using Canva for some time here. Okay, here at the top, where you're going to be looking for is Instagram Reels. Okay, this is what you are going to be doing a quick search for. Okay, Instagram Reels, and you're going to notice that Canva is going to give you some templates, but you can start creating your own from scratch. Okay, by clicking here where it says Create Blank. Okay. Here on Create Blank, you're going to have the opportunity to create yours. Okay, here we make sure, thanks to Canva, that we have the right size for the video. Okay, here on the bottom, this is actually the length of the video. Okay, right now this one is 5 seconds. Okay, we're going to make it 7 seconds because this is almost like the sweet spot. Okay, this is how long this video is gonna last. As you notice on the previous videos that I show you, they are actually really fast, 5-7 second videos, and that's it. Okay, so do not overcomplicate things. Now what I like to do is I would like to click here and I want to change the background color. The background color is going to be solid black. I'm going to show you more about that in a moment. Now we're going to be doing a quick search here on elements, and here on elements we're going to be looking for aesthetics. Okay, I'm going to click it, and we are going to have some things here. For example, we have graphics, photos, videos, frames, audios. Right now what we're looking for is for videos. Okay, those who have the crown, that means that they are actually under pro version, but you're gonna notice that right now, they're giving me the results for horizontal and vertical. What I'm looking for is just vertical because that's the format that we can use actually on Instagram. So we're gonna click here where it says filters, and we're gonna click here where it says verticals. Okay, so now it's giving me everything but vertical. Okay, so you're gonna choose one that it actually works for you. Then what if this one have way more than 7 seconds? Okay, don't worry because you can use part of it and the other part is not gonna be show up. What if I like this one but it's just 6 seconds? Okay, you will need to adjust the time here. Okay, let me go with this one. Okay, I'm gonna make sure that the size is actually it fits, because this one is right now it's a little smaller. Okay, the computer is actually taking some time to think a lot. Okay, the only thing that I need to do right now is I need to adjust the size. Okay, and your computer should be a little bit faster. Right now it's taking some time because I'm sharing my screen and doing this at the same time. And now what we're going to be doing is we're going to be adjusting the transparency. Okay, we're going to be clicking here. Okay, and we are going to be adjusting the transparency. Okay, and because of the background we have, we're gonna have this effect. Okay, whenever it loads. Okay, so now what we can do with this, we can add a text just as this person did. Okay, a simple message. Okay, and we are going to be using, for that, we're going to be using the text tool. Okay, here on the text tool, you can add the heading. Okay, you can change the color here on the top if we want. Okay, let's say that this is going to be white. You can add some effects if you want. Here you're going to notice that you're going to have some effects, some shapes. You can animate it if you want as well. Okay, you're going to notice. Okay, you're going to choose the one that you want, and once you have everything the way you want it, you're going to click here where it says share, and you're going to make sure that you're going to download it. Okay, and you can upload it to your social networks. You're going to upload it to Instagram, you can upload it to TikTok, you can also upload it to YouTube with the YouTube Shorts. Okay, my suggestion is use all these platforms, including Pinterest. Okay, so you can drive different eyeballs. Now we will need to monetize this, and in order to monetize it, you will need to have a product. But don't worry, you don't need to create a product of your own. You can go to places such as ClickBank, okay, and you can be an affiliate. Here you can click here where it says affiliate star here. Okay, it's going to be asking you a couple of questions and all the stuff, or you can click here where it says star here, and you're going to have a lot of products that you can promote. Another platform that I'm recommending, it's this one, is called WAP. Okay, here on WAP, I'm going to be leaving a link below. You're going to have other products that are not necessarily on ClickBank. Okay, and let's say that we are going to be doing something related to aesthetics, all of this stuff. Here I have all the products that they do have right now, or I can go and search by topic. Okay, I can go and actually I can search by topic. For example, we can go here where it says social media, and you're going to notice that we have this one, your first dollar, it's $50 per month. We have this one that is the TikTok Mastery Discovery Access, which is $17 per week. Okay, we have other products here as well. This one is a high ticket product, almost $2,000. Learn how to print money with TikTok. Okay, if I want to go ahead and promote it. Or I have this one, which is going viral, made easy, almost $500. Okay, let's say that I want to take a look about this one. I already checked this Medium Meta clips. You're gonna see how the sales page looks like. Okay, you're gonna notice testimonials and stuff, and how the sales page looks like. Okay. And if you decide to promote, for example, this one is giving you a 30% commission. Okay, this one is giving you a 30% commission. You can join and you can actually be part of it. If you go with the ones in which people are paying per month, you're going to be getting monthly recurring income. Okay, so that's something that you can take into consideration. And now something actually really important is the fact that you need a place in which you are going to be capturing this information. Okay, for that I suggest you to go with System.io. I'm going to be leaving a link below so you can open a free account. And one cool thing that I really like about System.io is the fact that they give us a lot of templates, so we don't have to worry about dealing with designs and stuff, because you don't need to be a web developer, you don't need to be a graphic designer, and you can start collecting people names and email address, and you can actually build a real business with this. So you can promote as many products as you want. Okay, that's something actually really cool, because let's say that, hey, you start with this one, master making money with TikTok Shop's affiliate program. Okay, so people are going to be doing that. Then since they are interested in building the social media presence, we can also suggest them to build an empire on YouTube, which actually makes sense. We can teach them how to go viral made easy. This one, which is almost $500, and you can actually create your own ecosystem. So I'm going to be leaving a link below to WAP. Also, I'm going to be leaving a link below so you can create a System.io account. And most important, guys, if you really want to learn how to build this, how to create a great ecosystem, I'm going to be leaving a link below with what is my number one recommendation to learn how to do affiliate marketing the right way, the proper way. This is actually the way I have been doing this for the past 6-7 years, and I was able to replace 2 full-time jobs. So if you're really serious about this and making money online, definitely this is the path that you need to follow. So this is it for this video. I hope you find this content helpful. If you do, please give me a thumbs up. Also, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell, and I see you guys on the next video.